Hello student, this is class 10th science chapter 11 and part 6 question 3. Why sun is visible to us about 2 minutes earlier to actual sunrise and sunset? Answer is due to atmospheric refraction. Sun is seen to 2 minutes earlier than its sunrise when it comes close to the horizon. The next topic is overall internal reflection when light travel from DM to rear medium with angle of incidence I greater than critical angle, then the reflected ray instead of emerging out again goes into the same medium. This is known as overall internal reflection. Two conditions of overall internal reflection is first, light travels from denser medium to rare medium. Second is the angle of incidence I is greater than critical angle C. I is greater than C. Suppose in a figure the light source is a torch, which is a light source in this figure. First the water, which is a denser medium, and air, which is a rare medium Rm. The light source first rays of light which act as a normal rays, which reflect as a normal rays, and the second rays of a torch, which is a light source, which bend in a angle of incidence, which incidence in a angle, suppose the angle of incidence I. The next ray, which is also bend in a large angle, and after the third ray the angle of incidence is much more than first and second ray. Fourth ray, the angle is critical angle, which is 90 degree. This is a 90 degree critical angle C. In fifth ray, the bond angle of incident is greater than the bond angle of critical. Bond angle of incident is higher than bond angle of critical, which is called overall internal reflection. Suppose we take a source of light. Suppose the water is in a denser medium and water is in rare medium. We take a light source. The first rays of light incidence as a normal rays, which is a normal rays. In second rays, which bend from a normal rays in a angle, which is a normal rays S, is bent in a angle of incidence. In second rays, which is also bent in a large angle of incidence. This is a normal rays. Normal ray. So the bond angle in this case is high from the first rays. In second rays, which bond angle also very high. In this, the bond angle is much more high than second and third ray. As in a third ray, The bond angle is almost equal. Suppose this is a normal ray. This is a bond angle of incidence, and this is a which is called bond angle of C, I mean bond angle of critical rays. In this, the bond angle of critical ray is 90 degree. After this rays, the bond angle, the ray is reflect as in this, the bond angle of incident is higher than bond angle of C, I mean bond angle of critical. So which is called overall internal reflection. Which is called overall internal reflection. The first conditions of overall internal reflection is light travel from DM to RM, I mean denser medium to rare medium. In this, light travel from water to air, I mean denser medium to rare medium. The second condition, the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle C. In this, the bond angle of incidence is higher than critical angle.